Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the ConAir Instant Heat Curling Iron 1 1/2 inch curling iron. Now it says the packaging may vary, but this is sold. It's a good, 16 inches long with a wand. Some of the cool things about this, well, let's see, I'll tell you. It curls to 1 1/2 inch, so it gives you more of a barrel. It makes a bigger curl, more romantic, softer, more delicate. It has 5 multi-layers for distribution of heat for long-lasting curls. So it's chromium, nickel, copper, nickel again, and steel. It takes 30 seconds to heat up, and there are 25 heat settings. So within those 25 heat settings, 1 to 8, they say delicate, thin, easy to curl hair. 9 to 14, average, thick to or treated hair. That's 9 to 14. 15 to 20, thick or wavy hair. 21 to 25, hard to curl hair. So it's up to turbo heat up to, it'll boost if there's a button on here that you turbo heat it, and that'll bump it up around 36 degrees Fahrenheit, so you get even faster styling. But it only takes 30 seconds to heat up, and there are 25 heat settings, which is pretty amazing. The price point is really good. It has a light indicator that it's on. It has a little holder, or it kind of holds it off the counter. The little holds it right there. It has an extra long cool tip, and this one right here. It's dual voltage, so you can take it out of the United States, although I don't recommend it because it'll probably break. But if you're okay breaking, it's not a huge investment, then don't worry about breaking your relatively cheap ConAir in France. It has a safety counter rest, that's what it is, this is, and an auto off. So you don't have to worry about this being on all day. You can walk away and it will turn off. It also has this really cool swivel that you don't get caught up in the cord at all. So I bought this because I wanted some bigger barrel curls, some more volume in my hair. Get a lot of volume near the crown of my top of my head. So yeah, I bought this, and I've been buying ConAir products for years and years now, and they tend to hold up better than the more expensive ones. The more expensive ones are finicky, and these ones seem to be tried and true and hold up. And in terms of price, they're really, really well priced, and you know, it makes it a joy to curl your hair. And knowing that I don't have to worry if I leave it on in the morning as I'm running out the door. Husband forgets to turn it off because he's the last one to leave, then I don't have to worry. It'll turn right off for me. So, and it's really awesome to have 25 heat settings. You can use it on your sister's hair, your friend's hair, or anybody else you want to try curl their hair. So I actually bought this so I can do some practice on my sister's hair, because she wants some larger barrel curls as opposed to the thinner 1-inch barrel curls. So the 1 1/2 inch is a much more romantic, loose, soft, sweet type of curl. So the Hot Sticks Instant Heat by ConAir 1 1/2 inch barrel, 25 heat settings, 30-second heat up, auto off, smart technology, keeps barrel at stabilized heat during styling, multi-layer technology, and it's got all those different layers of metal to keep even heat and long-lasting results. And yeah, so it comes with a little start guide at the bottom here. Get it out. So it just kind of tells you what to do for care and cleaning. Sometimes you'll get a buildup of like hairspray on it. So it has a 2-year limited warranty, which is great to know. So keep that in your files. And always keep away from water. You don't want to do that. So let's see if it has any other instructions in here. I think it does. There we go. So this tells you just the temperatures, shows you the cool tip, multi-layer barrel, the power indicator light, the turbo heat, off on and button, the off and on button, the temperature settings, the counter rest, and the tangle-free swivel cord. So it's got everything in there, and like I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And hopefully you enjoyed watching this. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.